Hello everyone. In today's class, you will learn about internet and other services. Internet. The internet is a global network of computers, but in many ways it resembles a small town with similar services. For example, if you want to send or receive email, the internet has electronic post offices that allow you to communicate instantly with emails where no paper, envelopes, or stamps are required. World Wide Web is like a giant mall where you can shop, preview a movie, download music, watch TV, programs, and listen to radio stations from around the world. Online libraries. There are online libraries with millions of books which you can use anytime. Chat rooms. Chat rooms on the internet are equivalent to 24-hour coffee shops with people online to chat anytime you want. Blogs. What are blogs? A blog is an easy to create website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. The word blog comes from weblog because a blog consists of a signed and dated log of individual postings. The topic of the blog can be anything from personal to professional. Blogging can be an interactive activity. Readers can add comments to a blogger's postings, other persons can respond, and a conversation continues. Bloggers have become well-known commentators on the political scene, but blogging can encompass any topic or no topic at all. Authoring a blog, maintaining a blog, or adding content to an existing blog is referred to as blogging. Individual articles on a blog are referred to as blog post, or entries, and the person who created the blog post is often called a blogger. Twitter. Twitter is a social networking and microblogging service that allow users to send and receive text-based messages known as tweets. Tweets are restricted up to 140 characters. You can send your messages using the Twitter website directly as a single SMS alert or via a third-party application such as Twill, Snitter, or the Twitter Fox add-on for Firefox. Your tweets are displayed on your profile page on the home page of each of your followers and in the Twitter public timeline. Twitter has many uses for both personal and business use. It is a great way to keep in touch with your friends and quickly broadcast information about where you are. For business, Twitter can be used to broadcast your company's latest news and blog posts, interact with your customers, or to enable easy internal collaboration and group communication. Microblogging. Microblogging is a new form of communication in which users can describe their status in short posts distributed by small messages, email, digital audio, or web. Microposts can be made public on a website and for distributed to a private group of subscribers. Subscriber can read microblog posts online or request that updates be delivered in real time to their desktop as an instant message or sent to a mobile device as an SMS text message. Microblogging is both its immediacy and portability. Posts are brief, typically 140 to 200 characters, and can be written or received with a variety of computing devices, including cell phones, digital audios. Although most microblog broadcasts are posted as text, some microblogging services allow video or audio posts both. Traditional media organizations including the New York Times and the BBC, have begun to send headlines and links in microblog posts. Other potential applications of microblogging include traffic and sports updates and emergency broadcast systems. Thank you. That's all about internet and some of its services. Next services will continue in the next class.